Hey, we back. I'm here at the, what should we call this now? The smelting outpost. And I found something cool. Yesterday. You see up there how there's like not a giant thing in the sky? Where's it gone? Let me show you. If we just zoom up here, where the big old hub building is, there it is. You can just about see it. Oh look, it's all just gone. It's gone. Where is it? It's all still here, of course. Here it is, as it always has been. But you can now see through the bottom. So this is Skyblock from Open Blocks, which is something that I discovered last night. So I put them here. I also put them underneath the sponge. To make that one all like invisibly, so you can't see it from underneath, which is pretty cool. And then I thought, hey, we've got this building competition today. This will be a fun and cool idea. Wait, where am I trying to go? Over here. So I took an hour or two. Oh yeah, there's one left. I thought I got rid of them all. Yeah. I'll explain this in a minute. There's also snowmen here. Yeah, I did think I'd got rid of all of these though. Go in. There we go. Yeah, so there's a bit of snow. Yeah. But yeah, if we go over to Ice Fire here. His base, unfortunately, it lags quite a lot, so sorry about that. That's kind of my fault, I guess. I'm probably going to have to remove all of this later for the base competition, but I thought it was funny anyway. So, of course, if you actually teleport in, then nothing has changed, you know? It's all good. But let's just suppose you're flying in from a distance. Oh boy, where is the base? Yeah, you see how I said it lags a lot? Shut up, wherever you are. Yeah, it does kind of lag a lot when you look at them, so yeah, sorry about that. And like I said, I'll probably be the one removing these later. But I got my extended vein miner on this, so it shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, I kind of did that. Base is gone. Yeah, if you look away from them, then it stops lagging. But yeah, this completely surrounds the entire base. This isn't chunks not loading, by the way. Okay, some of the chunks aren't loading. But this here, this is loaded. This is just what it looks like. It's just gone. See, look, Skyblocks. It's just gone. There is no base here. Nothing to... Oh, you can kind of see a bit over the top there. Clearly a gap in the skybox, and now it's gone. Oh no, wait. Yeah, now it's gone. So, yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, and you can apparently see it from... I mean, if you're flying, yeah, you can kind of go over the walls, obviously. This took literally tens of thousands of skyblocks to do, so yeah, sorry, you can still see over the walls in certain areas, but like, come now, if you're like on the ground, if you're like just on the ground, there's just nothing. There's just nothing there. We are limiting the competition. So yeah, I was actually legitimately planning on doing this for all of the bases. That was the idea. Yeah, again, this is all loaded. It's just gone. Yeah, I was gonna do this not for all the bases on the server, but all of the large bases. You know, there's like 5, 6 of them, I think. You know, that have a chance of winning the competition. I was just gonna surround them in skyblocks, but boy, skyblocks are expensive. Look at the recipe for this. Eyes of Ender, Endstone, and glass. So, like, obviously we have these materials. We got our blaze farm. I used like half of the blaze rods that we own. Half of them for this. It's crazy. And we had like 10,000 blaze rods. It was literally like... And then you need the redstone torches to invert them as well, so there was that too. It's a lot of resources, and by the time I'd done all of that around that one base on Icefire, I was a little fed up of skyblocks, and I didn't realise they would lag so badly either, so I didn't put them on the others. But it's really not fair. Oh yeah, and I put this here. These are the things for the competition. I can't remember if we did this in the last one or not. I think we did, but yeah, that's all still here. I'm hoping that will help us win. That's for the competition. Anyway, yeah, I did the same to a couple of other bases. So you saw the snowmen. I put the snowmen in one person's base. And then there's another one. I discovered builders, RF Tools builders can actually build in claimed areas. So I just put a few dirt blocks in someone's base as well. So that's great. Oh dear. So yeah, anyway. Okay. Yeah, so it's good fun. It's good fun. But yeah, probably they'll complain at me, and I'll just end up removing them. But that's fine. It's just for a laugh anyway. So, you know, sorry about the lag, I guess. Anyway, we're back on the snake now. If you remember last time, what we have so far, we have snake. There it is. Is it lagging, or what's it doing? I think it's just lagging. Yeah, it was just lagging. There we go. Now go up. Yeah, see, it's lagging. What's the TPS at? Or DPS 11. It's not too bad. You can see it is meant to be going faster than that. This isn't a problem with the code. This is just server lag. So sure, I guess. There you go. Now it's starting to speed up a bit. Yeah, anyway, there you go. Snake. It works good. So this is what we've got so far. And then once it's died, we can just press the button again and start it off somewhere else. I think it instantly spawned on the edge. That is one thing I do need to fix. Make sure it doesn't spawn on the edge. Give you at least a couple of blocks so it doesn't just do that. Yeah, I think that's the edge of where the screen ends at the moment. So there you go. Of course, we still only have half the screen working. So yeah, I'll get to that. But more importantly, there's a couple of other things to add, of course. First of all, we need the food. We need the food. So the food is meant to be a location on the screen. So if I just go into snake, we can have the start. We've got the snake, and then we have food. Food. I guess we should just do the same again. Right, I'll put it underneath. I guess we should have like a spawn food function. Huh. Yeah, okay, sure. Let's just shove this randomly in here. Function spawn food, which takes the current food. Actually, it doesn't need to take the current food at all. That's all it needs. Make these local because that seems smart. Math.random. Ah, we're going to need the max things there. Max x and max y. One max x local y equals math.random. One max y. There we go. And then we can return xy. There we go. Okay. Food equals spawn food. And we don't need to have this. Nice. We now have the food. Nice. Okay. And then when we go down here to the drawing the screen bit, was it lit and all? Ah, here we go. This bit. We draw the snake, and then I'm going to say lit of food 1, food 2 also equals true. Let's run this then. We should get a snake and a bit of food. Apparently not. Something index global food a function value. Okay. I mean, okay. The function's ended though. That's how you do functions, right? Pretty sure that's how you do functions. Yeah. Wait, what? Did I miss something? Why do you think food is a... Hang on, let me see what line the error's on. Wait, hang on. On that. Line 90. Okay. Let's go find line 90. That should be right down at the bottom where we just tried to do this then, shouldn't it? But I'm guessing. Yeah, it's this. So it's saying you can't index food because it's from a function? Huh? Right here. What do you mean? Huh? Hang on. Let's try doing that. Start up. Button. Function. It's actually putting it in as the function instead of the return. That makes no sense. What do you mean? Oh. Yeah, okay, my bad. I forgot to put the brackets on. Of course. Of course. Right, here we go. Try again. Oh, still no? Bad argument. Number expected got no. Yeah, I forgot to put the put the arguments in the brackets. Max x, max y. There we go. Great. Start up. Snake. Yeah, there we go. Look, that's the food. It's spawn in random places. And the snake just wants to die just every time. It just desires death. Whoa, you're going some funky directions. Again, it's because of the pressure plates. There we go, there's the food down there, right? Stonks. We now have food in our snake game. Now what I need to do is make the snake actually eat the food. So we'll put this in the while loop. Oh yeah, the 3 that it's printing out is just the length of the snake now. I changed a couple of the outputs so it was a bit cleaner. I think I did it off camera. But yes, nothing actually changed in the program, so it's fine. So, in here, before we do the lit, what is this? Oh, checking if the game's ended, right. So before we do that, I suppose... Oh, actually, no, I need to do it after that, because then... Oh, sure, we'll just do it after that. I don't think it actually matters. Right, but then before we draw the screen, I mean... So, if head 1 equals food1 and head 2 equals food2, then go. End. Right, what are we doing in here? This is, so food equals spawn food max x max y. So we get a new food position, and then what is it, snake length, right? Isn't that what we called the variable? Or is it snake length? Yeah, okay. Snake length. I don't know if you can do plus equals or anything fancy like that in Lua, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way, like that. And then you need to turn off the lit for it as well. Wait, we should do that first, I suppose, actually, shouldn't we? Or we change the food location. Lit of food 1, food 2 equals false. So now it's not drawing the old food to the screen, and it gets the new food location, and etc. Okay, let's see if we can now eat food. The button's gonna press. This is just server lag, but sure, if you wanna. There we go. Snake instantly died. Yeah, okay, it does that sometimes. Oh, yep, here we go. Wait, there we go. No, I missed it. Get me the food. Damn it, this is hard. Wait, hang on. Yeah, with the damn redstone. Okay, here we go. Yes! We got the food. Okay, we should get a longer snake now. A new food. Yes! Look at that, it's working. Snake's getting longer. And it died. Pog! The food, the snake, it got longer. It was actually way easier than I thought it'd be. Look, we've already got the food in. It only took a few minutes, 10 maybe. What I should probably test is if the snake can still die by running into itself, but it's kind of hard to test on this smaller screen. I need to get the whole screen in really working for that. The other thing that we need to do is the end game screen, which also is going to require the entire screen for that. So, I think we're just going to have to do the rest of the screen now, which is unfortunate. But yes, you probably saw what I was doing with them yesterday. This is entirely unnecessary now, but I can't be bothered to remove it, so sure. And then, yeah, we're on row 11, so that is here. That's 10, 11, yeah, so this is where we need to do, I think we did 1 and 2, and then, yeah, okay. So yeah, we need to start from here and do the entire rest of these. Considering I did a bunch of this on stream yesterday, and then etc. I'm definitely cropping out the recording too, so I will actually not do this one now. I'm gonna be cutting this out, and I'll come back probably in a couple of hours when I've done the whole screen, so see you then. Alright then, the screen is done. You can see the snake on the right side there. Obviously that's all working. I did a bit of testing. But yeah, it's all good. Snake working. It's doing things. You can eat the food. Oh, well, as long as I'm not bad at snake, that is. Where are we going now? Come on. This is working as intended. I'm just pressing the pressure plates badly. Admittedly, it is kind of a hard system to navigate. I'm honestly just not sure what I could use to go to change direction other than the pressure plates. Come on. Also, because like I said before, they kind of they kind of hold down for a while. Oh, no. They kind of hold down for a while, so that makes it kind of hard to turn as well. There we go. Oh dear, oh, I was just way too late on that one, wasn't I? There we go. Yeah. So in terms of small minor problems with it, it did crash at one point, stop playing. I honestly could not figure out why, and it's not done it since, so it might do it again. There might be some weird trigger, one of the squares is broken, but it wouldn't actually make sense for one of the squares to be broken, because this is just a one-way thing, you know, like the computer sends messages to the screen, not vice versa. So yeah, that shouldn't ever be a problem. I have literally no idea what could be causing the problem, to be honest, but yeah. Oh, damn it. Too early. I hit the wall. Oh well. Yeah. But as you can see, it works good, which is great. The small minor problems is that the food can spawn inside of the snake. This does work fine, admittedly. This does work fine. Oh no, I just realised. I was going to say it does work fine because it'll come out the back of the snake, but it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. Because the problem is when the snake goes away from it, it doesn't change the food one, so then it just... Yeah. So yeah, that's not going to work if it spawns it. So so that's a minor bug. I do need to fix that. If the food spawns inside the snake, yes. Okay. So in the get food thing, spawn food. Where is it? Ah, here we go. Spawn food. Yeah, it just gets a random value at the moment, doesn't it? I wonder if I should make it spawn. If I pass it the snake, I can check to see if the random value is in the snake, and then if it is, spawn in another one. That's probably the best way to do it. So I'll pass this the snake as well. Snake has already been created at this point. That's fine. And then where's the other call for it? Where do we get the food? Spawn food, here we go. Yeah, I really should have made this on paste bin, but it's fine. Right, here we go, spawn food. Right, so then what I do is in snake is going to be false. While, oh no, I'll assume it's true at the start, that's what we'll do. Because then I can do while in snake do. There we go, grab that. And then what I'll say at the end of here, for how did you do the for each thing? How did I do it before? Is it for I coord in I pairs? Okay. For I coord in I pairs snake do if x equals coord 1 and y equals coord 2, then in snake equals true. End. And then what we do here in snake equals false, There we go. I think that should work. Let's test it. No. Because attempt to index field and null value. Oh, that's the error it came up with last time. Ooh. Index field question null value. That's the same thing it came up with last time. I still don't know what the problem is. Do you think it's maybe if the snake spawns right on the end? Maybe that's what it is. It's in line 104. Yeah, it's the same line. Food. Oh wait, if the food spawns right on the end, maybe? So apparently food is a null value at this stage. Interesting. Somehow spawn food didn't return anything. Not sure, honestly. I can always just print out this though. Print hi x y. We'll just do that. See if it pops up again. Oh wait, I'm not running startup. Okay, there you go. Go. Oh. Attempt to concatenate global x and nil value. Global x? You're not meant to be global. Oh, maybe this is the problem then. Maybe it's the local. I can just remove the local. I don't really know what it does anyway. I assumed it would make it a local variable. That would make sense to me, but I honestly don't have a clue, so who knows? Wait, but I use x, y in other places, so actually let's be more careful about this. Oh dear. Okay, let's call it food x and food y, just in case they do end up being global for some reason. I don't know how it works. I can't be bothered to find out because this is not exactly difficult right here. Food y, there we go. Snake, and then I'll put food x, food y, and then I need to print them out as well. Food x, food y. I think that's everything. Okay, go. Wait, did you actually save that? I'm worried that you didn't. Stupid thing. Food x, food y, food x, food y, food x, food y, food x, and food y. There we go, save. Start up working. Go. Snake. Go. Oh wait, it's already going up. What am I doing? Go left. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Or at least that seems to be working now. Should be putting the coordinates of the food. 3, 6. Yeah, looks about right. Stupid thing. Yeah, now I'm dead. Oh no, I'm actually not. Fantastic. Oh dear. Going up takes priority, so that's why you can change direction to go up really quickly. Up has priority over all the other directions. So yeah, even if the other pressure plate is down, if you tell it to go up, it'll go up. It's just how it ended up working. There is a priority list, so that some of them will have priority over others, and they'll change direction in that direction even if you do the thing. Anyway, yes. It's kind of finicky, like I said. Oh, wait. At least we can go up really quickly here. Yeah, there we go. Nice. It looks like this is working as well now. So, well, it was working before, it's just... You know what I mean. So the food should no longer be spawning inside the snake, which is good. Something I haven't actually tested yet is if the snake can crash into itself. I did put that in, ages ago. but I haven't tested it yet because I've never got the snake really long enough to do it. I haven't been bothered. So let's try test that out. Should be long enough now. It's just since it changes direction so slowly, you know. Yeah, there we go. See, look, it crashed into itself. Fantastic. We should have end here now. End. Yeah, okay. Nice. So where is this? It didn't print out this like ever at all. Oh no, that's because it only does it when it spawns in the food. Yeah, okay, that's fair. To be fair, that is fair. I'll probably just remove this, to be honest, because it looks like it's fine. I don't know. Like I say, it seems to crash periodically, but I cannot figure out why. So yeah, what I will do is put a little bit of text next to this. Food X, and then over here Y. There we go. So now you can tell what that's doing. It's nice. Save that, and then we want the end game screen. When it ends, instead of just putting end in there, we can put a little big end thing in. I'll just hard code that in, because at the moment we have our end function anyway. Here we go, end game. So that's great. So what we want to do is, I guess we want to clear the screen and then yeah, okay. So let me see. Where is the code where we actually make the thingy, make the snake, the screen, and we like initialize it? Where is it? Here we go. Wait, no, it's lit that we're looking for, isn't it? Where's lit? Oh, right at the top there. So look, I'll just put this in a function. Function lit init. That's the wrong kind of init, but yes, that's the general idea. This can take lit. And then an extra end. An extra indent and all of these. And then here, I'll just put return lit. Great. So then after that, we run lit equals lit init. Lit. That doesn't look like a weird function at all. So then in the end game thing, down here, all we have to do, lit equals lit init. Lit. That should clear the screen. Let's test it. Snake, it is time to die. Are you ready? Oh, he wants to die anyway. There we go. That did not clear the screen at all, though. Ah, because it doesn't update the screen after the end of the game. Yeah. So if we go down here, look. See, it runs end game. It does that. Wait, no, it should update the screen once after this. Should. Init is just setting them all to false though, right? Yeah, see, it sets everything to false. Ah, but look. This is now, ah, yes. So this is now local. That's the problem. Return lit. There we go. And then when we actually run end game as well, We're going to need to pass it lit. Say lit equals. It's actually updating the global version instead of just updating its little private one, then it's discovered magically. And that's the only two endgame conditions. Okay. Start up. Snake. Death. You're going to plunge straight into that wall. Do it. Yes. Green did not clear. Oh. Broke. Why would you break? There's definitely something wrong with the size of all this somewhere, isn't there? Somewhere there is for sure. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I was trying to call some silly old value somewhere. Wait, hang on. Do it again. Where exactly was what line was the arrow in? Where's the snake? Die, snake. Death. Oh. Well, that worked. I mean, it didn't work. It didn't crash. But it didn't clear the screen either. Huh? It should be clearing the screen. Why is it not? Oh, because it then does all this. We need to set snake. We need to initialize snake and food as well. That's the point. It clears the screen, but then the snake just puts it back again. Yeah, see, look here. So what I can do, this is where it's drawing the snakes to screen. Yeah, okay. Look, I'll do this. If game ended equals false. Actually, there's no reason to do that. We can be slightly more fancy. If not game ended, then shove the extra end on, and then just boop. There we go. Cool, and then this is the one with the food, and that's where it's removing the snake. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that end down to there, and then indent all of this stuff as well. Stuff all of that in the game ended thing, because why not? Okay, that should work. I said it before then, so let's see. Boom. Snake, yes. Death. You spawned right in the middle, so you get to live for a long time. Good job. Totally didn't work. It, like, totally didn't even slightly work. The game had ended. It shouldn't have redrawn the snake. Ah, but it doesn't empty the snake. Right, yeah. Still needs to empty the snake. Okay, so what I'll do is here, snake equals that. Kind of annoying that those two are the other way round, but yeah, sure. Snake equals that. And then the food. It shouldn't even be trying to reference the food at that point, is it? Wait, it shouldn't be trying to redraw the snake anyway, though. Hang on. It clears the screen. Ah, I see. Oh, this is drawing the snake. Ah, got it. Okay, no, so we don't need this. That was just me being small-brained. We don't need that at all. What we need is to make this stupidly long if statement even longer. Because of course. This isn't drawing the screen, this is drawing the snake specifically. So put the end there. Why are you now suddenly so far over, huh? What's that all about? Okay, take 1,000,000. Go. Die, snake. Yes, and the screen cleared. Finally. That took long enough, didn't it? Okay. So with the screen cleared, we can then draw our end screen. So the point is, it clears the screen when it initializes the thingy. Here we go, here. End game. So then I go into end game here, it initializes it, but let's suppose I say, okay, lit of 10, what am I doing? 10 equals true. Let's just suppose I do that, just as a test. Snake, go. Oh, no, it's not running. Startup. Startup. Go. Yeah, okay, die, snake. There we go. End game screen. So now I want to get some blocks out. Draw a little quick end game screen. Wow, cobalt ore, fantastic. We're getting a lot of this stuff, that's nice. So let's see, what do we want it to look like? We'll figure out the coordinates afterwards. Maybe something like this. No, that looks awful. Hang on, let me remove this top row. That wasn't meant to be there. Yeah, that looks pretty much in the middle. Maybe add an extra one of these in there. There we go. Just do a standard N. Oh wait, yeah, this is going to take up way too much space, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to need to move it over a bit, aren't I? Or just have it take up less space, that's also an option. Okay, I'll move it over a couple of blocks there. This is why we design it with cobblestone before trying to do it with the lights, because the lights is going to be harder. We'll put that there. Put that there. Wait, I can use very minor for this one. There we go, that's a bit faster, isn't it? So now we go up here like this. I'm going to do it fancy like that. Well, what about just that? Does that look like an N? Yeah, that kind of works. And then D here. So what do we kind of do, like this? End. I don't know about that. Maybe more like this. Yeah, that kind of works, doesn't it? That kind of works. Yeah, okay. Let's do this then. Right, so we know that that is 10, 10. We can work from there, can't we? And now I just need to manually write in all the other coordinates. So that's fun. So this is going to be, if that's 1010, this is going to be, what's it? Try and draw this one first, just so we got a better reference point. Should be 3-8. Okay, so we don't want 1010, let's put in 3-8. Where is the end game? Okay, 3-8. This should give us a bit of a nicer reference point, that's all. For now. There we go, we got our coordinate in. Okay, nice. So it works as intended. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, I could do them line by line, or I could do it maybe with a loop. It's not going to be any faster though, like that, is it? It's not going to be any faster. See, I could write them all out in a big list and then loop through the list and make all of them equal to. Wait, I went past it. Maybe that would be faster. Yeah, that's probably faster. So I'll call it text. And then if we put in here 3-8, and then for I toward in I pairs text do end coord 1 and coord 2. So hopefully this still draws the same thing. Now it's doing it in a list instead. Yeah, die snake, die. Prepare for death. Oh no, I didn't mean to change direction. Sorry. Death. Death. Wall. Yes. Wall. Perfect. Right, so now what we want, yeah, so 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what I can do is I can just put into this list. I go down and find it. Here we go. 3-8. 4-8. Actually, you know what? If I do spaces on all of this, it's gonna become even larger. 5-8. 6-8. That's 7. That's a star. And then 7-8. Okay, now we've got a whole row. Again, let's just test, and then I think after this one we'll try and draw the whole thing. Oh, I need to press the button. Button, snake die. Oh, you're going in a really bad direction for death. Come on. You can do it faster than that. Oh, that'll do. There we go, you see? That worked, didn't it? We're getting our end written on there nicely. Okay, cool. So now we want 3-9 and 3-10. See why I say it's going to be a long list. I'll probably just do it all in one line as well, because I cannot be bothered. Work out how to not. So we want 3-9, 3-10, 3-11, and then we're going along there, so that's 4-11, 5-11 and 6-11. 4-11, 5-11, 6-11. Yep. Then 3-12 and 3-13. 3-12, 3-13, and then also 3-14. That's going to be the bottom of the E. And then 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I want 4, 14, 5, 5, 14, 6, 14, lastly 7, 14. Okay, I want to test this now. Make sure everything's correct. Start up, snake, die. Where's the snake button? Press. There's the snake. Fantastic, it's gonna die. Okay, that looks like an E to me. Extended vein mining. Yes. Fantastic. We have our E. Okay, give me a minute and I will go and do the other 2 letters. Alright, we're done. End is there, as you can see. Once again, I did some quick testing and like, yeah, obviously it works good. We've already tested all the snake and all, but there you go, you can see there's the eating and such. Snake got longer. I didn't mean to press that pressure plate, but oh well. And there you go, we get end. Fantastic. So yeah, just leave that running. I've covered up the back over there. Oh yeah, I actually made this glowstone diamond, didn't I? As you can see, those bottom 2 aren't glowing. You can actually tell. I can tell anyway. I think you can tell there that the light level is a bit different. So I'm going to just replace these. There we go. So there we go. That be the snake. It's all good. Now, we'll have the base competition. I actually finished almost exactly 10 minutes before it starts, although obviously they won't be getting to this stage instantly. I doubt they'll even do my base first, so yeah, who knows. But at any rate, we're done. The snake is complete. We've made snake. It works. It's snake. I mean, look, like, it's snake. Button. What? And this is just server lag. I mean, why is the button still glowing? This isn't snake. Okay. Well, that's cool then, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yeah, so we have snake. Oh, I missed the food. Whatever. Yeah, it's all good. I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy indeed. We've got our end screen now as well. It looks like everything works perfectly fine. I still can't work out why it crashes every now and again, but it's been happening less as I've been testing this. It hasn't happened once, so whatever it is, I hope it's fixed. And yeah, we've got the food coordinates and the length of the snake being printed out, and it also still prints the end there, which I guess, why not leave that? But yeah, it all works. Anyway, I'm done wittering, so I'll leave this one here. Bye!